This is probably your first time trying to actually lower the tire in your first gen Tacoma. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Let's get to it. So for this project, we are going to need 4 things. Yes, you only see 3, and here is number 4. It's going to look like a BCG or a bolt carrier group that you would see probably in like an AR. Yeah, this funky little thing is a very unique special tool that is specific to your vehicle. And right through there is where it's going to mate. It's got a specific little lock for you that it's going to be entering in. For me, the easiest way to be able to get this on is to go ahead and place it down here on the side of the hook. Let's get it on. You latch it, and it stays and doesn't come off. Each one of these pieces is going to have a little divoted section in each piece. And each one of those is going to line up specifically where this bolt is. That helps tighten it down and prevents it from coming loose. Once your task force is selected and ready, you'll then go ahead and take your piece, like so, as if your tire was already in here. Line it up and put that in, and lower it down. There are 2 key places that you will put your bottle jack. It's going to be right over here, right there, right on your truck. You will see that there's a small little hole right there underneath those 2 bolts. You can put it right between those 2, and that'll be just fine. And that'll allow you to be able to lift up your truck no problem. Keep in mind the placement of where you are setting the jack, so that way these 4 points will line up properly in between the axle there. And so when you are putting it in the front, that none of these holes or none of these ridges fall into that hole. Otherwise it may cause some unevenness. Also, just keep in mind that you will want to chalk your wheels if you can. Put a rock, a brick, anything just to keep it from slipping. You can put your vehicle in park as well. That's all that I have for you. I gotta go ahead and get my spare back on. Good luck to you.